Hello, my name is Dori O'Neill, and today I'm basically creating this video for people that are brand new to affiliate marketing, brand new to master affiliate profits, and you're looking at this, you're looking to get involved with master affiliate profits, and everything looks good. You've watched the webinar, but you're a little bit lost. Maybe some of these things don't make any sense to you. And I want to just give you the reassurance that Master Affiliate Profits is a great program. But even a great program has its shortfalls, and it will not meet your expectations unless you align yourself with a team that'll make a difference. You see, I spent 40 years working in the work from home industry, helping people build businesses, gaining experience. And you know what the difference was that helped me achieve tremendous success, helped me live the lifestyle that most people only dream of? It was mentors, people that sat there and would answer the simple questions and would be accessible and would be available. And so the first thing I want to do is I want to throw my phone number out there. It's 833-829-6864. That's a direct toll-free number in North America. And if you are outside of North America and you want to connect with me, it's yesconnectwith.com/Dory. Now, Master Affiliate Profits, as you can see, I'm on the screen here, and they offer all sorts of amazing training, from email marketing. You have over here traffic training. You have list building, blogging, video marketing, social media, which is extremely important. All of those things are incredibly important, and they must be incorporated at some point in time for you to be successful. But here's what happens for the average person, and it's actually kind of overwhelming. They come into a program like this and they're subject to all of this, and they really don't know how to get started or how to actually put this into flow. And I've been blessed, as I said, by having mentors, and I'm here to offer you mentorship. And it's not just me. I've assembled a team of old dogs and young people that are hip, that are with it, that know how to do it, but they're also caring, loving people that are committed to helping you actually make money with this program. And so this message that I'm doing for you here is for you that are looking at this wonderful platform, which it truly is, Master Affiliate Profits. But how do I take this platform and actually make money? And that's what my team's here to do. We're here to literally bring you into the program, and then we're here to hold your hand, to guide you to profitability, hopefully within your first 30 days. But we're here to answer the simple questions. Sometimes you'll join one of these programs and you could get hung up for 2 or 3 days when they talk about actually adding your autoresponder, your AWeber, to the back office. It creates a little bit of fear and trepidation in yourself when you just think about that. And then when you have this hooked up, what are you going to do? Well, that's where we come in. And so at no extra cost, it's our pleasure, it's our kind of commitment, our duty to hold you by the hand and put on additional workshops and sessions online. We're not going to charge you a penny for it. And in many cases, and I've done it already a dozen times since the launch on February 21st, actually get on a live sessions call and walk you through it. And what we're hoping is that as we show you the old-fashioned way to do something, and what I mean by old-fashioned, get as close to belly as possible. Get on a call and address you by your name and work with you and show you how to do something. So, you're going to come in here, and some of you are going to have a plan of how you're going to start, execute, and send out traffic and bring people in here and make some money. But what we're going to show you is how to actually leverage this platform to create recurring income, so that if you do what we show you, and number one, it's going to be really, really simple, because 90% of the work in order to take this from purchasing it to actually generating revenue from our side, we're going to give you that. We're going to gift it to you to show you how you can actually leverage this into a situation where you're actually making online money. Now, one of the pet peeves I have in this industry is that's old-fashioned. Nobody does that. They literally have you join these programs, you get into the courses, and they are just not geared up to show you how to take it from theory into practical. Yeah, you can drive traffic to here, but what if I were to tell you that if you're part of my team, you're going to get probably the most important element for free, and that is this landing page. So you can see this landing page here. This landing page was co-designed by a gentleman by the name of Mike Filsaime. I'm an insider with Mike Filsaime. Mike Filsaime owns a company called Groove Pages, and Groove makes some magnificent websites. They have expertise in artificial intelligence, and a couple of years ago I was invited by Mike and his team to become an insider. So I actually pay to play with Mike Filsaime, $25,000 a year. I'm a member of the collective, and I shared with him a few months ago, back in 2022, that I was going to create this alignment with Master Affiliate Profits, and that I really wanted to take my experience and I wanted to create something that would allow people to succeed in this industry. So I showed him my concept, a 10-part YouTube viral funnel, and if you would have seen what I created looked like, you had been, oh my God. But Mike stepped in. We were live on a private session, and he went through. He had his Groove agency team, which I've now since employed, and they created this wonderful landing page, and we designed it in such a way that when you join my team, if you join and you become the equivalent of a platinum or platinum member with Master Affiliate Profits, I'm literally going to give you this page. I give those that join through my link the ability to actually give away this $2,000 bonus. If you join with me and I'm your sponsor and you're a platinum member, I give you a $5,000 bonus. I give you the complete site all done, all the email marketed, ready to go, and all you do is add the Aweber form, import a pre-done Aweber code, which populates all the email, and just to make it really simple, it's turnkey. And then we're going to teach you how to basically get people to this form in the lowest possible cost-effective way and we're going to share with you, and we're going to open your mind to the resources you probably already have. We're going to share with you some secrets that our team has worked with for more than 40 years, and now we've applied it all online. And the whole idea is to create this continuum of traffic, but also a continuum of reciprocal earnings for you, and equally and maybe even more important, the people that you bring in. Because if I, through Master Affiliate Profits, look at the program, they pay an incredible amount of commissions, 75% on the front end, but more importantly, it's the tier 2 level where when you bring somebody in and you teach them how to become successful, you'll earn 25% of the profits that Master Affiliate has left over from the sales of the person you've brought in. And so that's where the real money comes into Master Affiliate Profits. It's by showing people how to actually generate revenue, make money, and when they make money, that means they've brought people in, and if they reciprocate that and help their people make money, you're going to create recurring, unstoppable, residual income for yourself. And so how are we going to deliver that for you? Well, quite simply, you, as a member of my team, or as a member of somebody that I've brought in, or a member of somebody that they've brought in, are going to be invited to live workshops. They're absolutely free. Our team, as you join, will become completely accessible to you. Your questions will be answered. You'll be able to call people directly, including myself. We're not hiding behind emails and all of this corporate veil. And we're going to show you how to do all of this. And, while we can't guarantee 100%, I can tell you that over the years, the teams that I've built have made millions of dollars. And very shortly, you're going to see a number of videos live online of the people that we've already helped.
Hello guys, this is David Mead, and I'd like to give a big shout out to Mr. Dori O'Neill. Dori O'Neill is, in my mind, one of the top world-class marketers on the planet. And you can tell that by what he's produced. On top of that, though, he's so accessible. He's one of these guys that they do things for other people versus looking out the best what's for him. I've never seen that in someone of his caliber. So, I already received a $2,000 bonus mentioned on the website. Dory stands by his word. If he says it, you better listen. That's all I'm telling you. Like I said, I've been in this industry for over 40 years. I've been the top guy in 7 companies. And this is the number one guy. I'm so excited. Of all my years, this is the best guy I've ever been associated with. And I'm pumped, because if you don't have marketing and you have the marketing skills and the direction and help that's there, you're going to struggle like I did for many years. So guys, hook up, sign up. It's free. Check out what he's put together. You can't go wrong. Like I said, he's an incredible world-class marketer, and I'm very excited to be associated with him. So guys, have a great day, and here's to 2024. See ya.
And I'm quite humbled to say that they've offered to put these videos out there sharing what we've already delivered. So if you're looking at Master Affiliate Profits, you're brand new, and you really want to understand how to take this from the joining Master Affiliate Profits to making money, we're the team that's going to deliver that. We're the team that's accessible, and we're going to provide you with these additional training seminars. We're going to provide you with the ability to get your answers. And yes, I do have people that work for me full time that actually are there to ensure your success. And so at the end of the day, we're creating a win-win situation. And if you go back into the records, you will find there's a name out there. It's called Mutual Benefit Network. I created that concept back in 1988. It's a long time ago. And since I created that concept, my team, and I'm very proud of this, and I have members of the team that have been with me since that time. You're going to meet Nick. You're going to meet Jay Sargent. You're going to meet Dr. David Nelson. You're going to meet these people that have literally made millions of dollars by following a simple, easy to execute set of techniques that are basically done for you. All you have to do is enroll with Master Affiliate Profits, become a platinum member, and we will teach you, we will show you, we will provide you with as many done for you elements as possible. And we know that for those that put in the effort, you will be led to income. And depending on your effort, depending on the amount of time that you have to dedicate to this platform, you're going to likely make money. In fact, we hope it's the norm that people make money, not the opposite. So my name's Dori O'Neill. Again, my direct line is 833-829-6864. For those that are not in North America, it's yesconnectwith.com/Dori. Hope to see you on the inside, and we're the only team that's offering this, guaranteed. Goodbye.